If you're looking for an affordable and effective way to reduce puffiness and dark circles around your eyes, then the Ordinary's Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG may be just what you need. In this video, I will be sharing with you the benefits of this serum, how to use the product, including the do's and don'ts. The Caffeine 5% plus EGCG is a lightweight serum that's designed to target puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. It's perfect for anyone who struggles with tired-looking eyes or wants to brighten up their eye area. However, keep in mind if you have hereditary dark circles, this serum, whilst it will help, unfortunately will not solve your dark circles completely. Now, how does caffeine work as an ingredient when applied to the skin? Firstly, caffeine is known to constrict blood vessels. This is why it is often used in eye creams and gels to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. When caffeine is applied to the skin, it can help to reduce the appearance of redness and inflammation by narrowing the blood vessels in the affected area. Caffeine also has antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging. By applying caffeine to the skin, you may be able to reduce the damage caused by free radicals and prevent premature aging. Thirdly, caffeine has been shown to have a mild diuretic effect. This means that it can help to reduce water retention in the body and flush out excess fluids. When applied to the skin, this can help to reduce puffiness and swelling. And lastly, caffeine has been shown to have a stimulating effect on the skin cells. This can help to improve circulation, which can lead to healthier looking skin. What is EGCG and how does it work in the skin? EGCG is a type of green tea extract that has been shown to have a number of benefits when applied topically to the skin. One of the main benefits of EGCG is the ability to act as a powerful antioxidant. By applying EGCG to the skin, you may be able to reduce the damage caused by free radicals and prevent premature aging. EGCG also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness, swelling, and irritation in the skin. This makes it a useful ingredient for people with sensitive skin. Additionally, EGCG has also been shown to have a beneficial effect on collagen production. We know collagen is a protein that gives the skin its firmness and elasticity, but its production decreases as we age. This ingredient can help to stimulate the production of collagen, which can lead to firmer, smoother, and more youthful looking skin. EGCG also has the ability to penetrate the skin deeply and reach the dermis, which is the layer of the skin that contains collagen and elastin. By reaching the dermis, EGCG can help to improve the structure and texture of the skin, but as well as boost its hydration levels. Both caffeine and EGCG in this solution can help to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and inflammation, while also protecting the skin from damage and improving its overall health and appearance. How to use the Ordinary's Caffeine Solution. Use this solution around the eye area in the morning and evening as an eye gel. Take a small amount of the solution and gently tap it onto your under eye area using your ring finger. Make sure you're using a light touch and not pulling or tugging at your skin. You can also use it on other areas of your face where you want to reduce puffiness or inflammation. Another thing to keep in mind when using this product is that a little bit goes a long way. You do not need a lot of product. You really only need a small amount of product to cover both eye areas. Avoid using other skincare products around the eye area. There is no need for any other eye serums or creams. If you do have a drier skin type, you may prefer to use an eye cream instead of this serum. Always patch test prior to using the product and avoid using on broken skin. If you want to learn more about the Ordinary skincare, then check out these videos here next.